5 ways the law of attraction betters your life. Taking the law of attraction principles to heart will definitely make you a better person, and in turn, will yield a better life. Positivity is a powerful thing, and in this day and age, more and more negative things seem to crop up everywhere, and with technology, it can't help but spread faster. That's why we need to combat it any way we can. Living on a positive note will have a huge impact on your life and in others' lives as well. Here are a few things it will change in you. Number 1. Strengthened faith. When you begin to harness the power of positive thinking and the law of attracting what you want, you become more powerful. Your mind begins to expand, to grow in ways that you want it to. When this happens, your faith in yourself, in humanity, and in the universe is strengthened. You begin to feel that everything is possible, because it is. Number 2. Definition of success will change. When people are down on their luck and everything seems to be going the opposite direction from what they want to achieve, it's easy to guess what success means for them. It will probably be monetary abundance, a better job, etc. But when you are living the philosophy of the law of attraction, you see things differently. You begin to see that success is measured in other ways, such as the strength of your relationships, the stability in your character, your ability to harness the power of your mind, and countless other factors that are not material in nature. Number 3. Looking forward. You have no time to waste on dwelling in the past. You always have the right idea, which is to move forward. You don't indulge in self-pity or in overthinking your past mistakes. You have the ability to learn from your experiences and do better the next time around. You are not afraid to move on and away from negative feelings that no longer serve you. Number 4. Healthier relationships. Practicing the law of attraction means you have a positive view of yourself and of those around you. You know that in order to attract good things, you just need to believe them and believe you deserve them. This kind of mentality will help you forge deeper relationships with loved ones. You begin to realize that you are not indebted to anyone and as such are not at anyone's mercy. You make relationship choices that are good for you because you know you deserve nothing but the best. You're not prone to settling just for the sake of having somebody. Number 5. Change your experiences. As soon as you start imbibing the law of attraction, the way you experience things change and vice versa, you change what you experience. When you begin to think positively and to live your life according to this belief, you begin to change what comes to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.